So Kingston auditions with the beautiful Krishna. How are you?
I'm doing good.
All right, fantastic. First time entering?
No, not my first time.
All right, so how was it? Did you enter in Kingston the last time?
Yes, I did.
All right, so how was that experience for you?
It was good. I was nervous, so I didn't get through, but hopefully this time I'll do better.
Okay, so you were able to meet the main judges, Anthony, Elaine, Conroy. Can you remember their comments last year?
I remember Anthony's comment because it stood out a lot. He said I had looks.
And that was about it.
That was about it.
That's Anthony. So what have you done differently this year to really come and wow him? So he doesn't just talk about your looks, but also your talent.
Well, I like to sing Broadway, so I'm hoping that the song that I sing will wow him. And I mean, I still got the looks.
So you know the next question I'm going to ask, because you said Broadway and I see gloves. So naturally I'm going to ask, what is with the gloves?
The gloves are like my confident booster. I love them and they help me to push forward.
Okay, do you have different types of gloves that you wear for different outfits, or is this your lucky?
This is the lucky glove.
This is the lucky glove.
I think this is a first. Nobody has ever worn gloves to a Rising Stars audition.
Yeah.
But of course, people have worn wigs and extensions. Lots of those.
How nice of you.
All right, here we go.
Big spender. We're ready to go. Ooh. The minute you walked in the joint, I could see you were a man of distinction, a real big spender. Good looking, so refined. Say, wouldn't you like to know what's going on in my mind? Well, let me get right to the point. I don't pop my cork for every man I see. Hey, big spender, spend a little time with me. Say, wouldn't you like to have fun, fun, fun? How's about a few laughs, laughs? I can show you a...
No, you have some very good song choices. I mean, not that everybody's coming and choosing the songs that you've chosen,
Cool.
Yeah.
but you're just not doing them justice in terms of being able to sing in key and on the note.
But I think that you're a really good personality and something different than we've ever
But
had
she's
before.
so interesting and her song
is, that's
choices
the thing,
are
she's really
so
interesting.
good. I would say yes.
They're going to make her sing
Yes.
half of the entire season.
Yes.